So this is a movie to show that the whole house is actually flooded. It has been raining since this morning for so half a day already, and we had several power cuts, so we had to turn off some of the fuse to be able to turn on the light. As you can see and as you can hear, it's full of water everywhere downstairs. The maid's room is the worst place maybe, with an average of at least 1 centimeter of water. The storeroom is totally flooded as well. You can see the reflection of the lights. The dining room as well is full of water. The water is leaking down the wall here, just behind this wood door. There is water everywhere on this beautiful wood parquet, wood floor, and in the living room too. Living room here. So I cannot turn the light on because the plugs have been flooded and the fuse is off. But as you can see here, and once again I'm walking into the water, the whole living room, almost the whole living room, but it's getting worse and worse, so I'm afraid the whole living room soon will be flooded again. So it's the same thing at each heavy rain we have. All our stuff is standing in the water. The speakers, all the hi-fi. We had to move all the electric plugs here as well, and it's full of water here as well, as you can see. It's going worse and worse. It's now under the sofa. Oh, it's now even here. So just opposite the stairs. So almost all the living room is now flooded. I mean all downstairs. And here also. Okay, have to move some things now.